it's me Samira. Welcome to day 3 of Inktober. So I created my own prompt list for this month in order to improve my drawing skills and especially my comic drawing skills, because if you didn't know already, I am making comics nowadays in my Instagram. I'll link it in the description box below. It's called Salt and Sambar. Over there I post some comics related to my daily life and things that people can relate to. Do check it out if you're interested. So in this month, I wanted to be consistent and I wanted to stick to a goal and improve my drawing skills. Because as you know, I am good at painting, but I am not so good at sketching and doodling and drawing and being creative on paper. So I want to improve that and I want to stay consistent. And that's why I wanted to take part in this month's Inktober. For those of you who do not know what Inktober is, let me tell you, it's like this trend among artists. It was started by Jake Parker. He's a well-known artist and a YouTuber, and since then artists all over the world follow this trend wherein they post an art that is made using ink every single day in the month of October. So it's just any art. It can be done using pen or ink, or it can even be digital art as well. It's just art in the month of Inktober. So every single day, art in the month of October every single day. And I thought of posting these works on Instagram, but since this is where I started my YouTube journey, I wanted to be authentic, honest, and I wanted to share my not so good pieces of art as well as my good moments of art with all of you. That's why I decided to make videos every single day in this month. I hope you join me in this trend. Feel free to draw if you feel inspired while you watch this video, or at the end of the video if you want to draw something in your style, you can do that too. Inktober, that was created by Jake Parker, already has a set of prompts for each day this month. If you want, you can follow those prompts, but I created my own prompts based on the areas in which I need to improve in the art of comic making and illustration, and based on that I've made prompts for the entire month. And today's prompt is text and doodle. If you're interested in knowing the rest of the prompts, let me know in the comments. I'll probably share it to you in my community tab, or maybe tomorrow, or maybe in an Instagram post as well. So in the process of making comics, whatever are the areas wherein I lag, I have noted them down and I wanted to practice drawing in that area so that I can get better. So that's why I started this, and I hope you enjoy this series. Let me know in the comments if you do enjoy. And also do give this video a like if it inspired you to draw, or if you just liked watching it. Also, I hope you follow me in this journey, and I hope you also try something out every single day in this month. Drawing every day helps us in multiple ways. It just makes us clear on what we need or what we want, and it keeps us motivated. That's what I understood. As for today, I thought I'd pick this nice quote that I have seen on the internet, which is, "You're never too old to set another goal or to dream another dream." That was the whole quote. So that's that. Don't forget to comment below and let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you tomorrow.